What's up, folks? I'm outside. I just cleared out a bunch of land in the back of me that I have a lot of potential for. I saw Pamela, she's doing something with the side of her yard, and I got a bunch of logs that I removed. Like one's right there. I'll get a little closer. One's right there. It was decaying because it's been here so long. Then more over here. But long story short, I balled out. I hit up Green Spaces ID. I had to cut in and explain to you who Green Spaces ID is. And my son's playing Fortnite in the background. But Green Spaces ID is a plant store in Thailand. Indonesia, all the way over there. Usually shipping plants could be a good or a bad thing. The one thing about getting plants for overseas is that you can get a rare plant from overseas directly to your house without counting on a nursery to find it at a local nursery. So getting plants in Thailand is similarly, it's kind of expensive. They're watching everybody, like My Clean Leaves. There's the other girl. Bunch of people bought plants from Green Spaces ID, and I was able to muster up enough courage to hit that pay button to select a few plants that I'm sure you will like. So I will be presenting to you my new collection, the addition to my collection. Now this collection I'm very proud of, because I've actually had for about a week, because I just couldn't wait. I just had to tell somebody. So now I'm about to present to you what Green Spaces ID does, live and direct from Gerard's Horticulture Culture. Here we go. Oh, and yeah, with this open land, I'm thinking about opening up a greenhouse or building a greenhouse, because I got like 20 foot, maybe 30, 40 foot of wide open space with that shed. So all this is open. And I have, it's all what I will it to be. So if I will it to be a greenhouse, I believe that's what it's going to be. So we're going to see what it's going to be, but I'm going to take you inside. Here we go. Before I take you inside, I just want to say my name is Gerard. I'm an exotic plant collector, and I like plants. This channel is all about plants, plant care, plant tips, plant community. Now here we go. I'm just giving you live. I can't get a quiet set, so you're getting live and direct, or I'm sorry, live direct footage of what's going on in my house. So there's going to be some background noise. There's going to be yelling, hollering. That's usually what's going on. But it is what it is. I just wanted to show you guys my plants. So here we go. First I'm going to start at the bottom. Matter of fact, I'm not going to start at the bottom. We're going to start at the very bottom.
Started from the bottom, now you're here.
Started from the bottom, now we're here. If you don't know what that is, you need to watch this channel a little bit more, because this is a burrow match. There's Kendall screaming. There's a burrow marks, variegated burrow marks in all its splendor. Check it, check it, check it, check it out. Next to it is a very, very large Billy Ty philodendron. These are both philodendrons, by the way. Came in so lovely. I'm gonna give you some more shots of these at the end of these. Next, yes, that's what it is, guys. That's what that is. You see that variegation on that ZZ? Zamifolia. Had to get the permit straight, the USDA permit straight to get these in the house. We only had a permit for philodendrons, but this caught my eye, so I had to pick this bad boy up. Look at that. Let me pan out. Here we go. ZZ. I'm gonna give you a better shot of that, but that's the ZZ. Burrow Max variegated, bigger Billy Ty. I even got a little squamiferen. Got a squamiferen, but that was a cutting from my other squamiferen, so I'm not gonna talk about that. We'll edit that out. Moving along on the second shelf. Before I do this, and it might be a little low, before I show you this next plant, I'm just gonna take a moment of silence, everybody. Just a moment of silence. Moment of silence. So soft, soft and velvety. Soft and velvety. That's the person making all the noise in the background. Always makes noises. Gotta love the channel. Gotta love the channel, right? Quality. So this is what it is. I can't even think what his name is right now, but this super dope plant, Green Spaces ID. It's gonna come to me, but I'm just gonna go to the next one because I definitely know what the next one is. And if you don't know what this one is, Algonema tricolor. Just try 3 colors on this: a white, army green, and a little lighter green. And I lost like 2 leaves, but that's okay. They're a little lower leaves, but it's okay. We got them in we got it in Happy Frog, and everything's all right. But that's my Algonema, and it's starting to like shoot up a leaf. All these, this was actually propagated, like air layered, which is awesome. That was air layered. The ZZ was a rhizome cutting. I air layered that myself. That's not there, but I think the Billy Ty, I think that was a cutting too. So all the plants that I got were basically cuttings from a larger plant from Green Spaces ID. Now we're gonna go a little bit deeper in. So like I said, I balled out, guys. I balled out. Over there, I got the crocodile philodendron. Yes, I have 2 Tinus philodendrons. Not doing too good on that one, but we're just watching it because we still got good stem growth. So we're probably gonna lose some leaves from shipping. I actually cut that off. That leave's doing okay, but that's the Tino philodendron. And if you aren't looking behind the Tino, the Paraiso Verde philodendron, Green Paradise, and that's super stunning plant like there. Look at that. And I also have they gave me a node. I got a node to make a propagation from, like right there. They were actually propagating it and they sold it to me. I love those guys. I love those guys. Green Spaces ID, go check them out. Right now there's a little delay from China, but that's what's up top, guys. Philodendron Ring of Fire is still doing good. Look at the growth on that. We got more growth happening in the middle in the middle, that's going to be another shoot that I can divide up. And it's still got this clump of mass happening, and we're leaving that alone, but we'll see what's going on. And just made took a picture of that, put it on Instagram. I got this from the Philadelphia Flower Show, and look at the growth on that. Stunning growth. Actually had this pot, I gutted it from a fake flower pot plant. It's like a little diamond shape. Very cool, guys. Look at that. Look at that. This is what plant love is all about. Plant power, plant therapy. And I don't want to break down the little climbers, but we'll probably have to repot that soon. Now I'm going to move down. You guys already know I got the Birkins, but we're going to bring attention to one of my wish list plants that I was super happy to get. And this right here is the Silver Dragon Alocasia. Silver Dragon Alocasia. I'm gonna say it one more time. Silver Dragon Alocasia. Leave it here, but this is where all the nurseries is going on. I got plants propagating and multiplying tetrasperma tissue culture form. I don't have the non-tissue culture form, but I'm going to try to get the tissue culture form. All the way in the back, right next to the Silver Dragon, my Hoya Abovado, still doing good. Roots are, I'm actually using leca on that. Red Heart Philodendron, somewhere around here. Silver Sword Philodendron's doing very well. I haven't got 2 nodes coming from it. This is what plant power is all about, guys. Plant love. And another Scormifrum cutting that I'm just growing out for the summer. Got a Silver Sword cutting from my last video when I was propagating silver swords. I got that in leca. I'm definitely trying out the leca. I got a huge bag of it. Got a gallon bag. What else do we got here? But that's basically what I wanted to show you guys. The crew here. If you got any questions, let me know in the comment section below. The Green Spaces ID did a fantastic job. Fantastic job. My Silver Dragon Alocasia lost 2 leaves on the bottom. It's expected from shipping. Usually those alocasias are a little tough, or not that tough, when you're moving around from country to country. Over here, my Viechai is still doing well from Millennial Planter. Once again, check her plant channel out. I actually got rid of 2 leaves, and I left 2 leaves left, so it can just focus attention on the roots and establish itself a little better. I think it actually grew about 1 inch from last time I got it. And once again, Marina, thanks for sending that out to me. Over here, I got my Red Heart Philodendron. It's doing pretty good. Light watering, not too much water. Airy mix is what I've been told. If you ever think about getting a Red Heart Philodendron. So it's just slowly but surely bouncing back. That's my Lewis leaf for the Tide constellation, and this plant is doing great. I've been back and forth about dividing it, but a new leaf is on its way, like right behind it, so I'm just leaving it alone. But all this gloomy, doomy weather outside, everybody over here is still trying to add to the light. I have all my new plants over here, and as you see under, it's a little yellow up top here, but I still have the winners up top, the new guys up top, just to give them that comfortability that they need. I was definitely going to give them that humidity level, keep it about 60%. Pilea, last video I just propagated it. I mean, not propagated, I changed out the pot. And that's where it is right there. And right next to it is the Alocasia. It's actually popping on a new leaf, so nothing got harmed when I swapped it out. I actually did that last week. Also, like my my Jewel Orchid, if I can get better light. Jewel Orchid's been real leggy. I actually was not trying to give it too much light, but I actually keep it over there now, and it's actually doing a little better. So these guys definitely need light. And also my other Jewel Orchid is popping out the pot right now. You just see I need a bigger pot, but it's a little leggy too. So it's telling me that it needs more light. Leggy Jewel Orchid. And I got to get it under some lights, but I really also wanted to show you what's going on with the propagation. Pink philodendron, pink princess, ready for, I think I'm gonna do leca with this. No pink spots. I don't know if it's reverting back or if it is, you know, hopefully it's just doing its thing, but I took multiple cuttings. What's up here? Latest update, we got more roots. More roots. Roots. And no roots. And I think that's because it was trying to put all the energy on bringing out that new leaf that you see there. That's it pretty much, guys. I just wanted to show you what was going on, and that's the melichrysum. Like I said, I almost forgot the name, but that's the melichrysum philodendron in all its splendor. That thing is just a beautiful plant, guys. Look at that. Look at that. I'm gonna be releasing some pictures on Instagram. Check it out. This is Gerard's Horticulture Culture, and thank you very much for watching. And everybody in the house also thanks you for watching, and thanks for your support. And welcome these guys from Thailand to Jersey. They're here. If you guys got anything to say, leave it in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep growing. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button.